you have worked with Madhuri ma'am and you have worked with Jacqueline as well. Recently,
I have loved Jacqueline's song. I have loved Jacqueline's song. I think she is fantastic in the song. Enjoy karo.
Salman, are you always like this or is this a part of
अगर
the show?
बजाना है तो गाना बजाओ. अगर बजाना है तो गाना बजाओ.
Salman, are you always like this or is this a part of the show? Salman, are you always like this or is this a part of the show?
are you?
In fact, I want to ask one question. We are here because of...
Now if I'm just sitting here and answering like...
Good fun, it's good
No,
fun.
I'm not always like this. Or it's a great show and I'm very happy to be a part of this, the Bank Tour. Thank you, everyone. Please come, watch the show. Excellent performances, great team. Or I'll be like the way I am.
Sweetie, it's your turn now.
Thank you, Manish.
मैं एक्चुअली थोड़ा कंट्रोल में हुआ है, मेरी लोअर बैक थोड़ी सी परेशान करी है. अरे आपके सामने अच्छे खासे आदमी की बोलती बंद हो चाहिए, माइक बंद हुआ हुआ है, इसमें बोल रहे हैं.
बैठ जाओ, कमरे में तकलीफ है.
सर मैं माइक देने आ रहा था.
शो करना रहा.
सर मैं माइक दे दूं सर? सर मैं माइक दे दूं सर?
All right, well, so Sohail bhai, I would request you to kindly begin the conference. If you could just tell us that what all can Punekars expect out of this conference?
First things first, I don't think it'll make any difference to you, but I only have two sisters, Alvira and Arpita. So
basically he's saying that you don't fit in the sister category. That's what he's saying.
and the other category, don't be afraid of. So there's no threat on that also. Don't worry. Ji. It's a fab show यार. मैं तो यही बोलूँगा. जी. Okay.
That's it?
नहीं. We started the press conference with Katrina.
But she's always late. She's never.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the Tigress of Bollywood, Katrina Kaif, on stage, please.
Tigress, the biggest superstar.
Very warm welcome to you, Katrina. Welcome to Pune. So Katrina, we've been welcoming everyone in Pune style. Kasakai, Bala Hai. That's all you have to say for us. Please take a seat. I would request everyone to kindly take a seat. Sohail sir, over to you.
अभी आप लोग डिसाइड करो भाई बेटर था कि सर बेटर था.
You asked for it.
भाई ना? हाँ सर का. Yeah. Sweetie, it's your turn now.
Thank you, Manish.
मैं एक्चुअली थोड़ा कंट्रोल में हुआ है, मेरी लोअर बैक थोड़ी सी परेशान करी है. अरे आपके सामने अच्छे खासे आदमी की बोलती बंद हो चाहिए, माइक बंद हुआ हुआ है, इसमें बोल रहे हैं.
बैठ जाओ, कमरे में तकलीफ है.
सर मैं माइक देने आ रहा था.
शो करना रहा. बैठ जाओ, कमरे में तकलीफ है.
सर मैं माइक देने आ रहा था.
शो करना रहा.
नहीं सर मैं माइक दे रहा. नहीं मेरी हिम्मत है. हाँ सर आई थिंक मैंने जो बोलना था बोल लिया.
Thank you so much, Manish.
बाकी मैं शाम में डेफिनेटली.
Welcome to Pune.
Thank you so much. What's your phone number?
Katrina Kaif, would you like to share your experience? This is the first time
Tigress.
that you will be a part of the Bank the Tour, that too in Pune.
मैं आके देता. सर मुझे बुलाया, मैं खुद नहीं आया. मेरी जिंदगी में ऐसे ही होता है.
मौका नहीं वही वाले में बोलो.
I'm extremely happy to be joining the show. I think it's looking amazing. I've seen a lot of the performances they've done. The Delhi show was absolutely fantastic, and it's been a long time since I've come to Pune. I don't think I've ever done a live show in Pune before. So really looking forward to the crowd tonight and hopefully a great energy from the stadium.
We all are looking forward to it. Thank you so much, Katrina. Salman sir, would you like to please share your experience? The Bang the Tour.
I don't need a mic.
Sir, मैं mic दे दूँ sir?
Yes, sir. Mic.
So we started these tours abroad, and they did really well. And then I had this idea, our whole team had this idea that we should do them in India, and for our fans here. And so we've done one where? Go ahead.
Delhi.
We've done one Delhi, and then we have, this is the second one here, and we're trying to do as many shows in India for all our fans. So I think it's a great package. It's a lot of, there's a lot of energy here, and everyone gets along with everyone, and the songs are really amazing, the performances are spectacular. We just have this one host which does not performing well, but today I hope he does a good job, and his name is Manish Paul. So we're trying our best, and then we have, you know, the most beautiful girls in the industry working with the Bang Tour. We have one of the most handsome guys in the industry, Prabhu Deva, also on our tour. He's trying his best to dance. Seriously, he's trying to really, you know, match up to my standards. And we're having a great time. So everyone's performing with each other. Arnie, bus, inside.
Dhanyavad, sir.
I have a question.
Yes, please.
Why is Manish Paul not saying anything?
You want me to say something?
I'm in shock. क्या हुआ?
His lower back is injured.
अच्छा.
लोअर बैक में दर्द है, पर लोअर बैक से थोड़ी बोलता हूँ मैं. बोलूँगा तो नहीं, बट मैं बोलूँगा. मैं थोड़ा शाम के लिए बचा कर रखा. सॉरी, मेरे मुंह में टॉफी लगी. मैं साइड में दबाली टॉफी फ्री में पड़ी थी, 2 जेब में लगी थी.
Okay. I was just worried for a minute.
No, don't.
Okay.
So we have a lot of questions coming up related to the Bang the Tour Pune. Can we have the first question, please?
Yes, hi. Sorry.
Hi. Hi, this is Prachi from Times Network. The answer my question is to you. Which performance do you think will be the highlight today? Who will...
What humility.
In all honesty,
What humility.
you're
You're just being realistic.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. That's a good quality. Yeah.
So you are going to put the bag in the bag?
100%. It's just all about me.
Can I answer that? Can I answer that for Salman bhai? Because every time he performs, it's a new performance.
Every time he performs a new performance.
Yes, we have the same thing,
I didn't say
but it
this.
is always new.
Yeah, because there are times that, you know, you try to improvise, and every time you try and do the same thing, it turns out to look different, which is my specialty. So I'm basically trying to do the same step, and it looks different. It's called growth.
Don't give out your great secrets.
Can we have the next question, please?
No, I was joking. Seriously, all the performances are really good. Like Katrina is one of the most hard-working people that I've ever come across. In fact, she was there yesterday rehearsing for about 3.5–4 hours, like she was performing. Okay. Sona here is Asli Sona, and Sona, and she's obviously she's Shakti Sa's daughter, and she's got her dance moves from her father.
No.
You know, and she's just spontaneous. She sings and she dances, and then Daisy is a fab dancer. So everyone's good. Prabhu is trying matching up to our level. Manish is giving some really bad PJs that so this whole team basically, just complements each other. I forget anyone's name. Guru will see this time whether Guru will be on the next Dabang tour.
My son is driving all the way only to see Guru. Yeah, he's not coming here. I spoke to him some time back. He says, Papa, can I come for the show? I said, yeah, but you've seen the show. He says, yeah, but Guru's part of this, of the Reloaded, and I want to come. So this boy's got some great following with the kids and everyone, and we are happy to bring him on board here.
Word क्या change हो रहा है? छोटे-छोटे boys का नाम भी गुरु है. ये मेरे गुरु हैं. When he was 5 years old. ये मेरा गुरु है. Father saying, ये देखो बेटा, ये मेरा गुरु है.
Salman, this
That was
is
really bad.
Manish level.
No, this is worse than Manish.
बैठे-बैठे पिट रहा हूँ सर, मैंने कुछ बोला ही नहीं.
Salman, this is Paras from India team here. इस टूर में 3 लीडिंग लेडीज हैं आपके साथ, कटरीना, सोनाक्षी, डेजी. सो इन तीनों के साथ अलग-अलग परफॉर्मेंस है या फिर एक कोई कंबाइंड परफॉर्मेंस होगा जिसमें फुल टू धमाल होगा? किस तरीके का परफॉर्मेंस होने वाला है सलमान का? क्योंकि सबसे ज़्यादा मौज आपकी 3 लीडिंग लेडीज के साथ है.
So we are performing. All of us are performing with everyone, and the finale, which is about 28 minutes, it just goes like a bullet, and we're all having a good time. So I've got songs with Katrina. I've got songs with Sona. I've got songs with Daisy, and Jackie's not on this tour, but when she was there on the last one, so we all performed together. So I've worked with all of them, so I've got some dance song or some romantic track with all of them, so we're all performing together. And then they have their individual performances, and I have my individual performances. Prabhu, Manish Paul is going to everyone's act.
I'm Neil Tagalkar from Pudari Communication. So, why did you choose Pune after Delhi? Because you have performed elsewhere abroad. So,
Sir,
what is
it is very nice question that you asked me.
So in fact, they choose us. We don't choose them. The city chooses us to come and perform.
So we got an opportunity to perform in Pune, and we grabbed it. I haven't performed here in the longest time. The last time I performed here, I think was Idea Rocks, I think.
Why Pune?
Huh?
Why did you?
Why not? I mean, we come here all the time. Our family living here. It's close by. Every time we've come here, we've sold out, and we got an opportunity to perform here once again, so we took it. And now this is happening throughout the country right now. We're getting, people asking us to perform in every state. So this is what we're doing right now.
Dancing with the 3 ladies, how would you perform? How would you describe their performances and like dancing best with?
You tried to atkav. I don't get atkav. Well, it's difficult to match up with their dancing abilities and their energy and just the way they are. But thank God there is only me here on this show, so I'm being able to pull it off. But then if there was a Amir and a Shah Rukh that we've done shows together, or Akshay, it would have been difficult to match up.
Hi Guru, this is this side.
तुम्ही मराठी मूवी केलेला आहे आणि मराठी मूवीमध्ये तुम्ही गेस्ट परफॉर्मन्स केला, सो आज पुण्यामध्ये कुठला मराठी परफॉर्म करणार आहात का काही मराठी सॉन्ग?
माझा एक मराठी गाणं आहे आणि तो गाणं इतकं फार मोठं हिट नाही झालं, तो तुम्ही गाणं ऐका आणि हिट करा आणि मी परफॉर्म करेन.
Salman, first of all, congrats on the success.
So I've I've sung the song, no? Are kachi varun kashi diste. The nicer version of it.
Salman, congrats on
Mahesh Manjrekar's film.
Salman, firstly, congrats on the
I've heard this song in my own So I've heard my whole Maharashtrian family, you know, sing this song. I didn't know what it meant, but
Salman, congrats on the Dabangg tour and the success. You've been to so many countries. Salman, ये एक trend बन रहा है because Karan also has a tour and you go to like they go to Karan Johar. He also has a tour where he's gone to different countries. So is it like the Dreams tour? The Dreams. So Katrina has been a part of it where you, Alia and everyone.
Karan Johar.
Karan Johar.
Oh. Okay.
So, like, I want to know what is the idea like behind this? Like, you go to every country and perform. What is the idea behind the tour?
No, I don't understand what Karan Johar is doing. I mean, I know what he's doing, but
he has also done a tour. He has done a Dreams concerts in different countries with the group.
He's done that. Oh, yeah. No, that was Karan's show.
No, that was not Karan show. That was again a world tour. Most of the times referred to as a world tour. That was called the Dream Team. So that was a big group of us. There was Karan, there was Siddharth, there was Varun, there was Alia, there was myself, and Adi. So that was one tour which was
Karan
there.
was hosting it. Is that what Manish is doing?
Yeah, he was hosting the show.
Yeah, what Manish is doing here is what Karan was doing there. The star of that show was Katrina.
So how different is your tours from your tours?
Very different.
We're all different people, man.
Hugely different.
Also, Salman, you have a great lineup, all performers. Also, you could have included Ulya Vantur also in this tour, but it's considering she's a great singer, so why is she also not a part?
Ulya Mathur?
Ulya Vantur. Considering she's a great singer.
Well, I'm sure that you'll be experiencing.
गाने आने दो. जब गाने आएंगे तब देखेंगे.
Hi Guru, this is Faridun from Borodangama on your right. On your right. Yeah, hi. Now you have, I think, a wonderful mix. आपका जो mix है in terms of non-film as well as film, दोनों आपके गाने बहुत ही ज़्यादा popular हैं, equally actually. So किस तरीके का आप आज performance करेंगे? Will you be having a mix of non-film as well as film as well?
मैं सारे गाने गाऊंगा जो चले हैं, जिनसे मेरी रोटी चली है, और आज वही गाने से आप लोगों को सुनाऊंगा. बीट, लाहौर, हाई रेट एंड गबरू, सूट बंजा रानी, और अभी रिसेंट फ्रॉम द मूवी सोनू के ड्यू टू की स्वीटी, कौन नचती. और मैं थैंक यू करता हूँ सबका, क्योंकि जिस एरिया से मैं हूँ, जिस गांव से मैं हूँ, वहाँ से अपनी आवाज़ सुनाना बड़ा मुश्किल है, बट आप लोगों ने मेरे गाने को, मेरी राइटिंग को पसंद करा, उसके लिए थैंक यू. और आज वही सारे गाने आप सबको सुनाने वाला हूँ.
Can we have the next question, please?
Hi Salman, you are known to keep in touch with your female co-stars, even your old female co-stars, but there's this co-star of yours from Veer Gati, Pooja Dadwal, who's trying to
really sad,
reach
really
you.
sad.
Yeah.
She's not my co-star. I worked with her. She was Atul's co-star in the film, and I just heard about this, and we're trying to help as much as we can. So I think our team is already on to it, and we're taking care of it. In fact, I didn't know that she was going through this difficult phase in her life, but yeah, I think she'll be okay. She'll be okay.
Thank you, sir. Any more questions on the Bank the Tour Pune, please?
Hello, Salman sir, and welcome to Pune. I'm super proud that you guys are here today to perform. And leaving aside all the questions, I'm RJ Vinny from Radio City. So I just wanted to know
if I want for me to get the T-shirt.
Yeah, exactly. So I'm like,
even we want, yeah.
You want this?
Yeah, even we want.
have a lot of them.
Yeah. Okay, yeah. Please, all sizes.
I'm a true loyal fan. Okay.
Yeah, done. Yes, seriously, yeah.
She's wearing at the bank.
Huh? These are
nice.
T-shirts.
Yeah.
These are T-shirts.
No, it's there. No, is it ours or is it yours?
We have like a Radio City logo behind us.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Soil.
We didn't think about it.
Soil, hello. Thoko copyright. This is Farsi.com.
You never know. Arbaz already sold it to them. No, but seriously, yeah. Now you send us some T-shirts.
I will.
Okay,
be honored.
Okay, lovely.
Who are coming to the show tonight?
Yeah.
So your hand is not coming up? Oh, it's here. It's not going to go. Coming, you sure? Now, who are coming as fans to watch the show, and who are coming as journalists? You're coming.
We're done being journalists here. We're done being journalists.
Huh?
2 in 1 hai.
Fans ज़्यादा कम journalists. Come. It'll be good. You'll have a great time, I'm sure.
Can we have last 2 questions, please?
Can I complete?
Yeah.
Okay, so I just wanted to know, like from any one of you, an experience, like a good experience that you've had in Pune before. You've performed, like you said, कि आपने पहले भी perform किया है. So would you like to share something about Pune city?
Did I say मैंने perform किया पहले?
जी हाँ.
So I've shot here as well, quite a bit. I shot for Bodyguard here, and I shot for something else. Like I said, I got family here, so my mom's sister and my cousins live here in Pune, and I've got lots of friends here, so I keep coming here incognito, quietly, and I go back, and especially when I'm doing Big Boss, so it's closer, so I make this drive here. ऐसे बहुत सारे incidences हुए हैं पूना के अंदर, but मैं आपको अभी नहीं बता सकता.
I hope they're good.
Very good.
No, but generally, we've had some great memories of Pune. Sulbati stays here, my mom's older sister, and when we were growing up, we used to visit Pune very often, and we've had some great memories. So it's these 2 places besides Bombay, it's been Pune and Indore where we've actually grown up. So
now Pune has grown up so much.
It has. Well, Pune has really grown, which is lovely for you.
Hello, Salman, to your right.
Prabhudeva sir.
Salman, many congratulations, and all of you guys, many congratulations for the amazing tour. Okay, Salman, आपसे जानना चाहेंगे कि इस ये जो tour
You said Prabhudeva sir and you diverted it to me?
No, she said.
Or you said?
Okay, so इस tour में पहले भी गए हो आप, it's a huge team. I'm sure बहुत ज़्यादा off screen मज़ा आ रहा होगा. ऐसा कोई incident? Who's the prankster? Otherwise,
Ajay Devgan, Akshay Kumar, but they're not here.
No, ये जो team है इसमें से सोनाक्षी and Katrina आप सभी से जानते हैं.
You genuinely believe that during a professional show, just 2.5 hours, you can afford to take a prank?
No, when you guys
Can't. I mean, we all see when you come for work, pranks are in your spare time. You don't have pranks when you're working.
Yes, but when you guys
But
are out.
यहाँ पे हमारा एक prankster है, Katrina. She's got super humor, and she's all the time playing pranks.
Yes, yeah, I think you can see between the 2 of us who is the one playing pranks right now.
Well,
चलो ठीक है, ये नहीं तो सोनाक्षी.
I feel like the biggest prank has been played on me right now. You all have made me Sonakshi Sinha. So, yeah. Who is this prankster? I want to know.
Sorry, we cannot.
Who has done the printing? I want to know.
अरे सबसे बड़े prankster तो यहाँ बैठे हैं.
Sameer ji. Well, we have the gentleman who has got the trend of Michael
हमारा
Jackson.
सिद्धार्थ मल्होत्रा बेचारा कितना दुबला हो गया.
So, would you like to tell us something about the tour, the choreography?
Ask other people also.
Hi, Katrina, Dipali here from TV9 Marathi. मुझे
शुद्ध मराठी फक्त मराठी
कैटरीना को समझ में आएगा तो मैं मराठी बोल सकती हूँ.
100% she understands Marathi.
Okay, my turn to talk now. Take the mic away.
कॅटरीना, जसं सलमान बोलला की तो एका मराठी गाण्यावर परफॉर्म करू शकतो, सर तुझा एखादा लावणी ठसका आम्हाला पाहायला मिळेल का या शो मध्ये?
Would you be performing Lavni?
Have you seen Chikni Chameli?
Yeah.
So, well, if we can, then we will. But it's not. I won't be performing that song tonight. I think we're going to be performing the songs from Tigers and I. Those are new songs. That film just came in December, so I'm kind of looking forward to performing those on stage tonight.
सलमान, जर तुला गायला सांगितलं, तू एखादं मराठी गाणं तिथे सादर करशील का, खास पुणेकरांसाठी?
स्टेजवरती
ऑफकोर्स.
मी हिंदी गाणे स्टुडिओ मध्ये बरोबर नाही गाऊ शकतो. तुम्ही मराठी गाणं स्टेज वरती डिफिकल्ट आहे.
थँक्यू सो मच सर.
प्रयत्न करूया प्रयत्न.
एखादा थोडंसं जर आता गायला.
आता नाही मावशी, नंतर.
Salman, recently, you have worked with Madhuri ma'am and you have worked with Jacqueline as well. Recently,
I have loved Jacqueline's song. I think she is fantastic in the song. Enjoy karo.
Salman, are you always like this, or is this a part of
अगर
the show?
बजाना है तो गाना बजाओ.
Salman, are you always like this, or is this a part of the show?
Are you?
In fact, I want to ask one question. We are here because of.
Now, if I'm just sitting here and answering, like.
Good fun. It's good
No,
fun.
I'm not always like this. Or it's a great show, and I'm very happy to be a part of this, the bank tour. Thank you, everyone. Please come, watch the show. Excellent performances, great team. Or I'll be like the way I am.
With this, I would like to thank all the media members for joining us in. Ladies and gentlemen, that's the Bank the Tour Pune. Yes, of course, we have the photo op. I'm thanking you all because you all made it for this entire conference. You all can now take wonderful photo ops. I would request the entire The Bank Tour Pune team. Can we hear some noise for them, ladies and gentlemen?
खाली बस खाली खड़े हो जाते. अरे खाली बस है यार. काय करायचं? साधा पड़ा इनके कर. साधा अरे खाली गए कैमरा खाली है. आप खाली गए. मोबाइल 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 भाई you and Sonakshi Katrina, three of you. Sonakshi, three of you. Katrina, yeah, three of. Okay, yeah, भाई एक साइड पीछे चले भाई एक मिनट भाई
Thank you so much. Thank you. I would request no one to cross the barricades that we have put up in front of the stage. I would request everyone, all the guests, all the family members to kindly be seated as no one is allowed to come on the stage. I would request all the media members to kindly go and have their lunch. Sonakshi, as the entire Bank Tour team,
Sonakshi. Yeah. Party है. Sonakshi. One more. Wait. Yeah, sorry. Hey, Baba. Hey, Baba, side लो. Sonakshi. Yeah. भाई हाथ नीचे कर. Sonakshi.
all our guests.
Thank you.
And friends to kindly go ahead for the lunch that we have arranged for you all. We hope to see you all at the concert today this evening. I'm sure the people are coming in today. Thank you so much.
पीछे हटो भैया, पीछे हटो. साइड में सोनाक्षी सोनाक्षी यहाँ पे सोनाक्षी प्लीज दिस साइड सोनाक्षी दिस साइड प्लीज सोनाक्षी खड़े हो गए तो थैंक यू हाँ चंदू भाई बहुत छाप रहे हैं आप चलो
जैकलीन के सॉन्ग को लेकर काफी नेगेटिव कमेंट्स आए थे
जबकि ऑलरेडी सॉन्ग्स जो स्टार्टिंग में आपने
That's okay, we'll answer that last question. It's okay.
रिसेंटली जो सॉन्ग आया उसको लेके
लेकिन स्टार ने सपोर्ट किया, सलमान ने ट्वीट किया, अनिल कपूर ने ट्वीट किया, काफी लोगों ने उसको बोल किया, लेकिन फैंस से उतनी अच्छी कमेंट्स नहीं आए। क्या कहें
आप लोगों को कैसे डिस्कस?
देखो, टू बिगिन विद इतना बड़ा आइकॉनिक गाना है 1 2 3, वो कोई और करता तो मैं भी कमेंट कर देता। ओके, यू शुड सी द बिगर पिक्चर कि हमने इतना बड़ा ये उठाया है कि वी ट्राइड इट, एंड कमेंट्स पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव आना वही हमारा, हम उसके लिए तो बैठे हैं। हर टाइम यू कांट बी पॉजिटिव, हम नेगेटिव भी चीज़ें आती हैं, बट वॉट एवर इट इज़, आई एम हैप्पी दैट मिस्टर एन चंद्रा कॉल्ड मी, ही प्रेज्ड मी, एंड गणेश आचार्य माई फ्रेंड जिन्होंने कोरियोग्राफ किया, सरोज जी ने इमोशनल हो गई थी, हम उनके घर गए मैं और गणेश, वो इतना खुश हो गई थी कि उन्होंने हमें दुआएं दी। यार मुझे ये 2 लोग बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है मेरे लिए, द मेकर्स ऑफ द सॉन्ग, जिन्होंने वो गाना सोचा, जिन्होंने गाना कंसीव किया, ऐसा स्टेज होगा, ऐसे एक एक्टर होगी, उसमें माधुरी जी ने परफॉर्म किया और 4 चांद लगा दिए। हमने कोशिश की 10% हम वहाँ पहुँच जाए, एंड आई थिंक सो हम 25% पहुँच गए। सो आई एम क्वाइट हैप्पी विद वॉट एवर द आउटकम इज़। Great visuals. Jacqueline has done a fantastic job as a dancer in that. And Ganesh ने उसे शूट वैसे किया जैसे हमने उन्हें कहा था शूट करने के लिए। अब वो जैसा भी होगा, we are ready to take everything.
क्या माधुरी दीक्षित को आपने ये सॉन्ग दिखाया? और
अरे मैं तो चाहूँगा खुले दिल से वो देखें, बट वो इतनी बड़ी स्टार है कि वो एक फ़ोन करे हम दौड़ के पहुँच जाएंगे, बट वो था ही नहीं कि यार हम इनको भी दिखा के पब्लिसिटी लेंगे, उनको भी दिखा के पब्लिसिटी लेंगे। वो माधुरी जी 1 2 3 गर्ल थी और वो ताउम्र रहेंगी, उसके बाद 10 लड़कियां करेंगी। हमने कोशिश की नई मोहिनी दे दो जैकलीन के रूप में, जो मॉडर्न लोग को, यूथ को पसंद आए, और टाइट बॉडी, रिप्ड एब्स, एंड शी इज डन इट ऑल एंड शी इज लुकिंग गॉर्जियस। बट
I'll make a very short statement. It's not about 1 2 3. It's not about Madhuri, Jackie. Jackie's worked very hard. वो तो नज़र आता है, वो बात ही नहीं है। बट मेरा बस ये मानना है कि कुछ ऐसे आइकॉनिक गाने हैं, और मैं सोफ़ी चौधरी कह रही हूँ जो रीमिक्सेस की क्वीन रह चुकी है। I've done एक परदेसी, हंगामा हो गया, जादूगर सैया, मेरा बाबू छह छुपिया, लेकिन वो एक पॉप स्पेस में था और एक ऐसे वक्त पे था जब पॉप वीडियोज़ में ये सब बहुत चल रहा था, और इट वॉज कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट, इट वॉज नॉट इन अ मूवी। I just believe remaking Hindi film songs for Hindi films, and not just any Hindi film song. Iconic songs, ऐसे गाने जो हमारे दिल दिमाग में बसे हुए हैं, हमें हर स्टेप, हर लफ्ज़, हर कॉस्ट्यूम, हर अदा याद है। To recreate that is, I think, a lot of pressure on the artist, and it's unnecessary. I just think that iconic songs should not be touched. I still like what they did with Tama Tama. It was quite cool and quite young, and it was different. They were not trying to copy that entire scenario. It was fun. There's 1 or 2 have been good. I think what Vishal Shekhar did with Bachna Hasina was an amazing example. Lena was also still fine. It was fine, but I still think it's iconic, and I think Bollywood is known for its song and dance and music. Itna talent hai. One of the biggest songs of the year is Dil Diyan Gala, which is an original song. Why do we need to remake songs?
मैम यहाँ पे, मैम यहाँ पे, मैम यहाँ पे, मैम यहाँ पे, यो मैम लोग क्या? मैम यहाँ, सेंटर, मैम वेट, हो गया? मैम या थोड़ा पीछे
Okay?
अभी एक सॉन्ग आया है रिलीज 1-2-3 माधुरी जी का रिमिक्स बना है जिसमें जैकलीन ने परफॉर्म किया।
बट उसमें आमंस का क्या कनेक्शन है?
एक सवाल आपसे जानना चाहेंगे, आपको कितना पसंद आया?
मैंने देखा नहीं है।
मिक्स रिव्यूज भी आ रहे हैं उसको।
अच्छा, सो आई एम डेफिनेटली ऑन सोशल मीडिया, लेकिन यू नो मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ कि प्रॉब्लम्स भी दुनिया की सारी एक आदमी चेंज नहीं कर सकता है. सो यू हैव टू फोकस ऑन व्हाट यू कैन डू. So I focus on what I can do on social media. I run a lovely book club on social media, and I feel that social media is a very powerful tool which can be used well or can be abused also. And I would like to be a person who uses the tool which is very powerful in a good way. And I think my book club was, the idea of the book club was that to kind of use it in a good way, in a positive way, in a constructive way. And very frankly, I try not to see negative and not constructive things on social media or in newspaper or in news or even read stories, because I think mental health is very important and that's part of my mental health. So I don't look at negative stories.
But then also do you really like the song?
I have not seen it.
You have not seen it?
Yeah, so.
You want to ask?
You want to ask anything? Okay, thank you.